Welcome to our video tutorial. Today we'll guide you through a step-by-step process for checking in your attendees at your events fast and easy. This tutorial will be divided into 3 parts. First, we will learn how to use the Eventora Scanner App for scanning your guests' QR codes at your events. Then we will learn how to use web-based check-ins for on-site check-ins through a laptop or a tablet. And lastly, we will see how we can access reports and send welcome messages to your guests. So let's get started. Let's see how to check in attendees by using mobile devices. First, install the Eventora Scanner App. It is available for iOS and Android devices. Once you have installed the app, log in to your Eventora account and press on the event and session you wish to check in your guests. Scan your attendees' QR code, and once they are checked in, you can see their name, company, ticket type, and other details. Okay, we know how to use the Eventora Scanner app. Now, let's see how to check in our guests using a laptop or a tablet. Go to the main menu, select Manage, and Check In. Choose the session you want to check in your guests. In the search field, enter the guest's name, company, or email. Find the guest you wish to check in, and next to their name, click on the Check-in button. If you make a mistake, you can undo the check-in by clicking on the green icon next to their name and selecting Undo Check-in. If a guest does not have a ticket, you can easily register them on site. On the top left of your page, click the yellow icon with the plus sign and select Registration. Press Next. Choose a ticket type and press Next. Enter the guest's details and click Create Order and Check-in. Besides checking in your guests, there is also a checkout feature. To enable checkout for your events, go to Event and Settings. Select the Check-in/Checkout category and enable the Enable Checkout option. This helps you track guests leaving so you know how many attendees are still at your event. The checkout feature also lets you issue certificates to participants based on their attendance time. For more information, check out our guide on issuing certificates based on attendance credits. Now that we know how to check in or register our guests on site, let's explore some of the main benefits of tracking your guests, such as access to online reports, the ability to send welcome messages, and much more. You can get instant insights on who has arrived and the total number of checked-in participants by going to Reports and selecting Check-ins. You can also send a thank you message or follow-up email by going to Manage and Contact Attendees. Next to the check-in status, select On-Site Check-in, Online Attendees, or both and send your message. Learn more about contacting your attendees by watching our tutorial on communicating with participants. Additionally, you can send an automated welcome email once your attendees check in by going to Event Settings. Select Email, SMS, Notifications, and enable the Send Email on Check-in option and press Save. Now you can send a warming welcome message to your guests once they arrive at your event. So, now you know how to check in, check out, and register your attendees fast and easy through our platform. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check our guides for more tips.